You guessed it, raining. Can't complain, we've had some good weather. Anyway, just a quick project today. I like me old axe throwing, so I'm using a wooden board. I'll take you out in the wet and show you in a minute. So anyway, I've been up to see my good mate at Tredegar Fabrication. Hit him up for any steelwork, ironwork, railings, you name it, gates, fences. He does the lot. Tredegar Fabrication. Anyway, hit him up and he supplied me with some 50mm box. Cut them to length. We're gonna make a new stand for some axe throwing. Right, let's get out in the wet, I suppose. You can just about see the old one up there, the wooden board. That's the lounger, don't worry about that. The wooden board, so we're replacing that today. Not in the rain, in the dry. Let's get to it. Right, so that's where it's going. I just got it propped up at the moment and took a coping stones off. I've got a scrap piece. I've laid that flat on the wall and just marked, and I've also marked the underside at the back of the wall, because what I want to make is I want to make a little piece going across and a little hook down to hang this on the wall. I don't want to fix this permanent to the wall, so I'd rather hang it on the wall. I've got it propped up on a board so I can measure down. I know the wall is level, and that's going to be the actual capture board like that, but then I want to make like a tray by here to drop the boards in, and you'll see now. Let's get to it. Right, brackets, just going to hook over the wall. That one's a bit hot, and that's going to go like ye. So let's get them welded on. Wow, that's hot. Get them welded on and then we can have a look. There we are. She's up, she's in place. So that's the hook overs. And then what I done to hold the boards, I screwed a board, same thickness as what I use roughly, and another board to form a little shelf. Drop the boards onto those, and then up top I've got batten with two main bolts running through into the steel, and I threaded the steel itself. So I just slacken that off, and if needs be I need to change a couple of boards to what I need. It's nice and solid, it's nice and flat to the wall. It is on the batten on the floor, I leave that there as well. There you are.